So sticking with the theme of hip and lower leg mobility, I want to show you quick a tool to use to kind of loosen up some of the muscles on the lateral side of the leg, the outside of the leg. So I'm going to use a foam roller here and work up and down the leg here, hitting some of the IT band and the musculature around the outside of the hip. So one thing to focus on with this foam roller is to not get too close to the knee. If we're getting too close to the end of the IT band and into the knee, we can have a little bit of compression happen on the knee, which could irritate the IT band where it attaches into the knee. So real quickly, just taking this foam roller and applying just a little bit of pressure with the body weight and rolling up and back. Once you feel comfortable with the leg being supported, you can put the opposite leg on top to apply a little bit more pressure and get a nice stretch on and foam roll session on the outside of that leg.